Today on the Fix-It Shed, I want to change the wiper blades on my 2018 Ford Fiesta. I really wasn't planning on making another wiper blade video because I just did one a few weeks ago on my RAV4. But I went to change the wiper blades on this car and I ran into a little hiccup in the back. So I'll show you that later. Let's get started in the front. All right, I'm going to start on the passenger side, and just like I did on my RAV4, I'm going to put a towel underneath here just so that if this arm slips out of my hand, it doesn't come down and crack the windshield. So, but you can see this little square right here. That's really just a button that you press down. Let's see. All right, and then you can just slide the blade right out. It's really, really easy. Okay, you can see it's just a little tab here if you press that down. And the new blade has a similar tab. So you just slide it in until it clicks and that button pops up. And then there's also a green protector for the blade. So I'm going to slide that off. And then we're going to go over and do the driver's side. And I'm actually going to do the driver's side from the passenger side. And you just press down on that button, pull it out. Bang. So yeah, as you can see, this blade is quite a bit longer than the other one. This was a 25-inch blade. The passenger side is a 16-inch blade. And again, just slide the new one in until it clicks and that button pops up right there. All right, now we can take that out and we can pull the guard off. And I'm also going to once again take the opportunity to clean the windshield. All right, when working on the back, you really just need to lift this away. You can turn the blade slightly. You don't have to turn it all the way. You know, just find a spot and you pry it away and it comes out like that. Now, that seems all well and good. That seems pretty easy, but you'll notice it did not click in or out. Right, and it just kind of is sitting in there. And that is because when I took it apart, there's little tabs that hold it in place and they cracked. They did not, they're supposed to just give and let the blade pop in and out, but they actually wouldn't give and they cracked. So when you are changing yours, make sure that if it's cold outside, maybe you want to try and warm these up a little bit. See if that helps. I'm going to put that back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the arm off. So, and I did buy a replacement arm and I will be installing that. All right, so we just need to remove this nut. So I'm going to just put a piece of tape here just so that I can tell where this wiper was so that I can install the new one in the same spot. There we go. Okay, and there's a washer on here. Yeah, that one doesn't seem to want to come off. So I'm just going to put a little puller on here, just a little gear puller. There it goes. I got it. Put this in. Yeah. And that's too low. That's right about where we want it. Okay. And we put the washer back on. And the nut. Okay. remove the tape. So, and we can just clip on the cover. There we go. Good as new. Alright, so changing the wiper blades on the Ford Fiesta, pretty easy job. Just make sure you use some caution in the back, or be prepared to replace that whole arm. I don't know if it was just because it has aged. It's 8 years old now. Maybe the plastic dried out and got brittle. Temperatures were a little bit cooler when I did this. I don't know that I would say that it's cold. It wasn't like bitter cold in the middle of winter. But maybe applying a little bit of heat with a hairdryer or a heat gun before you try to remove it might soften the plastic up a little bit so that it doesn't break. So keep those things in mind when you're changing that rear wiper blade. Alright, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.